Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting Incognito now. Open Opera GX and choose New Private Window from the O menu or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This creates a session that won't save browsing history, forms, or local cookies after you close it. Once done, notice the darker theme and private icon. Those confirm the session type. You should still sign out of accounts if you want no trace. Make sure your browser is updated first. Older builds may differ in menu layout, so updating avoids surprises. Once your private window is open, you can right-click any link and choose Open in Private Window to keep specific pages isolated. You'll also switch quickly with Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Use Alt plus Tab to move between regular and private windows. Remember why. Private windows don't keep local history or cookies after closing, but they don't hide your IP from sites or your ISP. If you need extra anonymity, enable a VPN or private browsing extensions. But be aware extension. To finish, close every private window. That action clears the session data stored locally. You can verify by opening history. There should be no entries from the private session. If you see unexpected activity, make sure extensions aren't enabled in private mode. Open extensions, click Details, and disable Allow in Private. If Incognito won't open or still records data, update Opera GX, clear cache, and restart the browser. Those steps fix most issues. If problems persist, temporarily disable third-party privacy tools and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.